are going to make a 5-ingredient mango cheesecake. So let's get started. We need some mango for this recipe. Then we need some whipping cream. Then cream cheese and 3 eggs. So now let me show you how to make a 5-ingredient mango cheesecake. So first we have to peel the mango. Right now my father is peeling the mango. It's a little bit tricky, but it's so satisfying to watch. Peeling the mango. Now let's put it into the blender. It's a little juicy. Oh my god. It's so coming. Easy way. Now we have added the mango into the blender. Now we need some whipping cream. So here is the whipping cream that I got. After the help of my dad, I opened it and now let's pour it into the blender. Oh my god, just look at that. Oh my god. Maybe it is enough? Yeah, it is enough. This is the best cream of my life. Cream cheese. Now we need some cream cheese. So, oh, there is a smiley face. Now let's put some cream cheese into the blender. Oh my god. Oh my god. And oh my god. It's like, I don't know, I want to taste it, but it smells like curd. Of course it is made out of curd. Okay, we are enough. Now we need to put this into the... So I'm going to taste it a little bit. It tastes like nothing. That good as the whipping cream. Now let's put some sugar into the blender. We don't need that much sugar either because there is a lot of sugar here that I put it. Okay, now let's stop. Let's put some eggs into the blender. Oh my god. The egg. Now let's crack another one. Put it. Now the last one. It's a little hard to crack, but yeah, it's done. Now we need to blend this together. Now let's blend it. So now the batter is ready. Now let's pour it into this container. Let's pour it. set the oven's heat into 400 Fahrenheit and bake it for 45 minutes. It is done. We baked it for 45 minutes. After it is cooled, let's put this into the refrigerator for 6 hours after it is cooled. Now let's check. Hope to see if it is correctly baked. It's a little fluffy again, and it is actually correct. Put this into the freezer for 6 hours. Okay, it's done. Now let's wait for 6 hours. I can't wait to eat it. 6 hours had passed. Let's check on it. I am excited to take it. Oh my god, it's a little heavy. Now let's cut it into pieces and serve it to everyone. It's right now. It's looking good, I guess. I can't wait to taste it out. It smells good. Now let's cut it. I have flipped it another side and it looks so good. I can't wait to try. Let's cut it. Now let's cut it. Now let's take it. Let's eat it. It tastes so good. It's so creamy. See the